So we've got two main project focuses, all in South Korea. We're drilling a substantial zinc project in the east of South Korea in an area where there's been quite a lot of historical mining, but we're applying modern exploration techniques to the area for the very first time. And by doing that, the geochemistry and the geophysics that we've done there has really lit up the whole project like a Christmas tree and shown us that we've got some fantastic targets. So the drilling's happening now, and we're very optimistic that we'll be seeing some good positive news in the coming weeks. We've also got a dual focus on taking graphite projects forward. We've got a number of graphite projects in Korea, but importantly we've got an off-take relationship already where a expandable graphite producer is asking us to find large flake graphite. We've identified some very large flake graphite in the western part of Korea, and we're looking to drive that project forward over the coming months. Well, zinc has really been appreciating. It's doubled in price over the last 12 to 18 months, and in our zinc project we've also got copper and silver and lead and so forth as well. And all the base metals are starting to appreciate in price as the market starts to turn around with economic growth and a lot of these developing countries moving back forward. So we are very positive about the zinc and other base metals prices going forward. And the same goes for graphite. We're right in the middle of the area of peak demand for both metals like zinc and also for graphite and also lithium. And so being right on their doorstep, if we can find substantial zinc reserves or graphite reserves, we can deliver them straight to the markets, and we've got very good infrastructure to link to those markets. Well, the industry's really picked up. Probably the low point was early last year, but obviously it's patchy in different commodities, but now everything's starting to come together. We're still probably in the foothills of the next real boom, and they tend to occur in sort of these revolving 10-year cycles. The last downturn was quite a significant one, but I think as these metal prices appreciate, as companies like us get momentum on our projects and start to move things forward, I think it's a really bright outlook for a lot of junior companies at the moment. Well, I've been really pleasantly surprised by the activity here. There's a huge number of investment groups and interested parties that are ready to open their wallets and looking for stories like ours where we're just starting to get onto things and look to build a lot of value. So the ability for companies like us to be exposed to a lot of high net worth investors as well as corporates and investment funds is outstanding actually, and certainly the setup where we are with a bit of a cluster of booths and so forth, we're getting a lot of interest. So it's great. Well, we were gearing up for this conference for a while, and we've been promoting our story reasonably widely, but certainly the activity we had on the first day has resulted in immediate share price appreciation. So the trick now is to deliver into that some good solid drilling hits, and who knows where we could go.